Hello, this is Curtis Marshall with Dental Intel. What we got today is we're going to be introducing how to enter in data into your Eaglesoft so that Dental Intel can tell you exactly what to be doing within the future for your practice. Data in, data out, right? So what we want to there's three metrics we're going to be talking about today. First one is reappointment. The second is cancellations, and the third is no-show. So we're going to show you how to enter in all of that information so that it's calculated correctly. It's very simple. So let's start off with reappointment. Reappointment is calculating anyone who had a hygiene visit and has a future hygiene visit scheduled within your Eaglesoft. So to do that, all we need to do is select a patient. Let's say Bam Bam came in, right? Bam Bam came in and you go into the appointment and we want to schedule him for a future 6-month appointment. So this is a 6-month appointment coming up. Um, we got a pro fee appointment, obviously. And then we want to go down here to add services. Click in R. R is going to go right to here and it's going to be our multi-code for, he's a child. So we want to do multi-code for a child. Now, the thing that we're looking for is that we are looking for a prophy, a prophy of some sort. That's all I'm wanting to make sure that we have. There are two codes in here that I don't like. I want to get rid of both those. Great. So a prophy is what we're looking for to ensure that that is being used within a future appointment. As long as that, you can have bite wings and topical. I don't care what else you have, but as long as you have a prophy, then we're good to go. So go ahead and save that. Let's make that an hour just so that we can see it. Okay, so Bam Bam now has a prophy in his future appointment, and so we know that that's going to be counted. That's how we count for reappointment. Now we're going to talk about cancellations. Cancellation is anybody who is canceled within the last 24 hours, or excuse me, before 24 hours. They call and cancel before 24 hours. All we have to do is go delete and canceled. Once again, canceled is if they give you 24 hours notice. Feel free to put in a note. That's fine. Cancel and it's gone. Wilma, on the other hand, she did not give us 24 hours, or she didn't show up at all. She called in within 24 hours, or she didn't show up. I'm going to put delete and failed. Neither. The only time I use neither is if I messed up on entering in the data, and so I totally want to delete it altogether. But if I put failed, that's going to count as a no-show. No-show failed, canceled is canceled. Okay, so failed, no-show. Now, let's go in a couple days in the future. We actually get Fred to come back in. Well, I don't want, or Fred called up that day and he said, I wanted to reschedule. You still need to cancel just like we canceled. But now, oops. Now, all I want to be doing is come to Fred here. Yes, yes. Now, what this is going to show us, let's go ahead and cancel all this. This is our last appointment that he had. And notice it was canceled. All I'm going to do is put use, and all of a sudden, everything that was in his last appointment, which was a crown and abutment, is put in right away. Now I don't have to find out what it was again. All I have to do is put that use button and save, and we're back. That's all we have for today. I hope you found it very useful. We do want to always increase the value of your practice, and data in is just as important so that we can get data out. So make sure we're putting in correct data into our Eaglesoft. Until next time, I'm Curtis Marshall. Thank you.